Welcome to the Mr. Sal's how-to series, creating an MLA bibliography or works cited with Magicschool.ai. All right, this video is on how to use Magicschool.ai. It's a how-to video, how to use Magicschool.ai to make a bibliography for your research paper. I think this is about the 17th take right now because I'm having one of those days, so please deal with me. I clicked into Magic School. We have the Use Magic School Responsibly screen. So read through your options, hit I acknowledge, and that takes you into Magic School in the classroom. I'm in my period 6 classroom. Over here on the right, I have my URLs that I want to use for the bibliography. So I hit Research Assistant. And it's going to give me information about the project, comparing and contrasting roles of U.S. Soviet women during World War II. It gives me potential research questions. When I wrote the prompt for this tool for you guys, I added way too much information. It actually gives you sample websites to look up. I had you do this on your own because you can do it better than AI. I'm sorry, AI, for saying that. Please don't hold it against me. So, over here, I grab the URLs for my research. I highlight them. I copy them. And I come down here in the Magic School and I paste them in. I hit the little submit button and it is going to create an MLA style bibliography based on the links I give it. And it says down here, make sure you replace date of access, where it says here, date of access, on the days that I looked at these websites finding the information. Sometimes that will show up, sometimes it won't. I don't know why it changes. It just does. What you'll do is go in on your Google Doc and paste those. I can go a step further. Please put these in alphabetical order, because they're supposed to be in alphabetical order for MLA format, and it does alphabetical order. First letter of each word of the first word. If the words are the same, you go to the next. Now this should actually be National Park Service, should be in front of National World War II Museum, so it does make mistakes. Fact check it. I have this. I'm going to go down here to the copy message. Click on it. It copied that information to the clipboard. Come back over to my Google Doc. And I paste that information. I don't need that. So I don't need these items. I can get rid of them. And I clean that up. As I said, it's a little bit out of order. National Park Service should be before the National World War II Museum. Then date accessed, we worked on this last week, so I would change this to, and you could ballpark it. Say I did this November 3rd, 2025. So you fill that in. That is how you use Magic School AI to make your bibliography. It will make some mistakes, but everything else is pretty much accurate except for the alphabetical order. I hope this helps. Take care, and let me know if you need more help. This is created under the Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike license.